Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a little haul. Well, not so little. I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby. It had been a while, and I needed some head pins, and I couldn't find any. Well, I found some, but not the ones that I was actually looking for. I really miss Joanne. I really do. That's where I would grab all of my bead necessities, you could say. But anyways, I was out shopping for some stuff that I'm gonna need this summer for my household, and Ruby asked me to go out and do a little bit of shopping, and I had some gift cards from last year from family members and friends, and I used some of them. And anyways, let me jump into the video. This is taking too long. From Michael's, I found these clay bits. They're alphas, and I really like the colors. Not so much the letters, but I mean, they're okay. Again, I just really like the colors of it. You guys know that I love neon, and I thought these would be perfect for Halloween. So I already took them out from their packaging, so I don't remember the price, but these are part of the little kit section. I forgot what the brand is called. I think it's Craftyhaul, something. I'm not even gonna try. But yeah, I found these. I'm pretty sure some of you guys already hauled them, since I am late to shopping this year. And to be honest with you, I was really there because I remember last year they had orange code in the month of June, and I thought maybe I would be lucky to find some orange code items, but there weren't any. I also went there because I did see Jessica Bits and Pieces story a few days ago, and she had shared some glass beads. They were on sale, buy 3 get 3 free, but my store was completely emptied out. Okay, so also from Michael's, I grabbed the head pins that I was not looking for. I wanted some of these gold ones, and I really like the round, the circle end to it, but I wanted this a shorter version because I feel like I waste so much with the long ones, and I don't like the ones from Ali, Timu, any of those other stores, because they get ugly with time. They get ugly. So I really wanted to find something, but I didn't. Maybe if I go into their website. And then I grabbed some of these spacer beads. I thought these were cute. They're simple, but they're cute. Hopefully I could use them for my pen, or my pokey tools. And then I grabbed some more of these crimp bead covers, and these have 150 pieces. I did grab the ones for silver last time. So and then I did grab an item from TikTok shop, and I bought the little ghosties. Like, these are the pastel ghosties, and I think they're like 100 of them, 100 pieces for like $7. And I thought these were so cute. The only thing is that they don't have, you know, the little hole or anything, but if you have the little drilling thing, you could just drill it yourself, and I thought that was a good price. And then moving on to Hobby Lobby, for my children, I bought these mini flower clips. These were $149 each, and they come with 20 pieces, and they're really into like putting stuff in their hair now. So I thought these were cute, and since we are going to be going out of town next month, I thought these were perfect for them. Okay, big bag of Hobby Lobby. So I bought the Viral Crafters squeeze bottle. These were $2.29, and it comes with, well, it doesn't come with it, but it comes with 3 of those. And then it's meant to use with the with this oh, why does it have a hair? Milo's everywhere, you guys. It's called a fine line writer tip, and I think I reposted it on my Instagram account. If not, I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen it. So I was able to find that. And then also in that same section, I did see that they had the ultrafine tip applicators. At first I couldn't find these because these are in a completely different paint section. These were in, I think, where the acrylic paints are, and then these were where the actual like sketching and paints are. I don't know, they were in 2 completely different sections. So these were $1.99, so $1 each, and then $1.99 and $2.29 for 3 bottles. I really hope this works because you guys know that I'm always losing my tips. And then I saw this when I was looking for this. I saw this soap, and it says that it removes paints, inks, clays, stains, dyes, grease, and it's a multi-purpose soap bar. It's called the Master Soap, and it was $4.99. And I really want to use this for my Cricut mat and I bought this mat for my desk, and my child Zaylee loves to craft on it and paint on it, and it's really dirty, really nasty. So I tried using the Dawn soap. I tried using the one from the Scrapbook Expo. Didn't work, so hope that works. And then in the party section, I found these flock bears, and I thought I could use them for, again, my pokey tools or my pens. And I do have like a collection with bears, so I thought that was cute. And it was $1.99 for 12 count. And then I found these confetti bears for $1.49, and this is 2.5 ounces of teddy bears, but they're actually cardstock, so I thought that was nice too. And then from the Paper Studio, I bought 3 items. I bought 2 of these gems, flatback gems, and then of course I thought about Halloween, so I thought these were super cute. And then I bought these clothespins, and I don't know, somebody gifted me something with a pin, and I thought it was really cute for a back topper, and they were 40% off, of course. And then again, for my children, I'm gonna try to do their own bows because I'm tired of purchasing expensive bows and then they lose them almost immediately. So I bought 2 different sizes, and I hope that works better than buying them. And then from the bead section, I bought some of these centerpieces, and these were $2.99 for 22 pieces. I have not been lucky enough to find them on Temu or Ali. So if you guys have a link to that, please share that with me. And yeah, I bought some of those because I was making some flowers. I couldn't find anything. And then one of my friends was looking for the alpha beads, the big jumbo ones. They were completely sold out, but I did see these and I thought of her immediately. So I hope she likes them. They're not the big jumbo ones, but they're very similar. So I hope this works for you. If you're watching, you know who you are. And buttons. I was working with fabric, which I'm not sure if I'm going to post that video before this one, but I was working on a crystalline's project, and I used a lot of fabric and I wanted to use buttons. I don't have any. I don't know where any of my buttons are, so I bought this pack, $3.79, and I think the fabric section had a, I don't know, I don't remember, but it was $3.79, and then I think they were, was it 20%, 30% off? I don't remember. And then again, the fabric section, I did buy this velvet ribbon, and it's to go with this teddy bear collection that I'm going to be working with for someone. And I thought it was really cute. I initially thought about using it for my daughter's bows, but it's a little distress or tear right here, so I don't think that's gonna work, but it will work for the project that I have in mind. So that is it from Hobby Lobby and Michaels. I know it's kind of like a boring haul. Yeah, my Hobby Lobby doesn't really have much. I was looking for the little fall cottage houses that it's going around on TikTok, and they didn't have any. They had a lot of Christmas items, but not so much fall. So I don't know. Oh, one last thing. I'm sorry. This is also from Hobby Lobby, and they're heart shape heart jump rings. I thought these were cool, and these were 40% off. But these I purchased them the last time that I was there, not this time. But I had everything together. I do have 2 more hauls. I have a haul from Ebony. I bought some beads from her. And then I did do a little bit of shopping at Frank Garcia studio. And I was chatting with him, and yeah, I'm excited about that. I also did buy the, or pre-order the Paige Evans Halloween collection. I'm really excited about that. Also, you guys, speaking of Halloween, go check out Frank Garcia's website or Echo Park just to go see the preview. Echo Park has a new Halloween collection coming out. It's traditional colors. It looks fun. It's traditional / vibrant colors. I thought it was really fun. If you want to check that out. And I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.